Hello viewers, in our last video we discussed how to train entity extraction AI model. Today we are going to talk about some of the use cases and how to use or consume it on using a Power Automate. Entity extraction recognizes specific data from text based on our business needs. This model helps to transform unstructured data into structured data. We'll discuss the use cases now. The first important one is web search. Any search engine uses this approach to deliver better results. Take an example of blogs. AI extracts information from blog content. The second one is product reviews. As we know, product reviews are most of the time is a text. Entity extraction AI model extracts the entity or the keyword that they used in the comments. We have one more use case on this is sentiment analysis of the product review. We'll discuss this on a later video. The third one is email. We may see this behavior when we get an email from airline and that information suggests to add to your calendar. For our demo, we will be using a Dataverse as a source to send the input to the model. Dataverse, previously called Common Data Service or CDS. The first step is for a user sends an email. We don't have Outlook configured with this instance, so we are adding an email record, which is an email activity. The second step is a Power Automate flow will be triggered. The third step is Power Automate sends the email message to AI model. The fourth step is AI model returns the result. Finally, Power Automate adds the result to Dataverse. We will have a separate table to capture the results. Based on the use cases, we need three components or application to build this scenario. The first one is Dataverse to have an email content. Ideally, we need Outlook or some tool to receive an email. The second one is an AI model. This is to extract the information from the email. We trained the AI model in another video. Third one is Power Automate, which connects Dataverse and the AI model. For our demo, it will be three-step process. Step 1 to create a table in Dataverse to capture the results because email is an out-of-the-box table, so we don't need to create. Step 2, build and train the AI model using AI Builder. We completed this step on another video. Step 3, create Cloudflow using Power Automate. Now let us open the Dataverse to have a table ready to capture the result. As we know, AI model also stores in the same Dataverse. We can access Dataverse through Power Platform. So go to mic.powerapps.com and go to your solution. I have a solution called AI demo. If you don't have anything, just create a new solution. Go to AI demo. I have a table ready which called entity extraction demo. Let's open it. It has 4 fields. Let's open. Yep. The name is the primary field which stores the object name. The second one is value. So this field to store the entity which AI detects. Third one is a count. So this is the length of the word. For example, AI detects the object as a Microsoft as a corporation, then length is 9 for the word Microsoft. The fourth one is confidence score. Now let's add another table, email. So email is out of the box table. So we'll call email. Next. That's all. Now let us open the both tables to see existing data. Go to the data tab. I don't have anything as of now. open an email, go to data. So I don't have any data on both of the table. So when we send an email, and then AI model extracts the results or the entity, and then it added to the entity extraction demo table. Now the step 1 is completed. Step 2, build and train the model using AI builder. So we completed this step on another video. So step 3, create flow using Power Automate. Open your solution, which already we have a demo of the solution. Create new cloud flow. As I mentioned, we are going to use a Dataverse, which previous name is Common Data Service. So we are going to use a Common Data Service and current environment. You are going to see two sources. If you type Common Data Service, you'll be having two sources. One is a current environment, so one is without the current environment. We are going to use a with the current environment. I'm going to say when the row is added, on our case basically create or update. Table is email message, scope business unit. Now let's add another step, which we are going to call a builder. And then this one is extract entity from text. Extract entity from text with a standard model. We are using a language as English. This text, we are going to pass this information as a text from the email. So type description. Okay. Now I will get the result. So I'm going to take another step, which is common data service current environment. Now basically we are going to add new row to the table, which already we have a table to capture the results, which is entity extraction demo. And then we'd say add a new row, table called entity extraction demo. It takes the plural name. Okay, so this name, so it's going to come from the AI model output. So entity type, flow, it's already added the for apply to each loop because we may get a multiple results. And then value, go to entity value, count, character count, and then we have a confidence score. That's all. So this is going to add a new row for each result set. Then we'll give it a name, say extracts text from email. Say this one. Okay, so now this is ready. Now open an email table. And go to data. Now we are going to add a record. So this action is like pretending someone is sending an email. As I mentioned, we don't have Outlook configured on this instance, so we are creating an email or email activity. I have email content here. Let's paste it. Done. Do something, say demo, and this send it. You can go to the A demo and open the other table, entity extraction demo. Go to the data. Yes. So AI extracts the information and then it's added to the table. And then you can see that some confidence level. And then the city, for example, city Redmond, Washington, it says 0.90 confidence. And then the count is the length of the word is 19. And then country region is American. The confidence level is high, 0.88. Then basically this is a font. I'm not sure why it's extracting in a font also. That's fine. And then organization is a Microsoft. It's again 90. This concludes how to use entity extraction AI model. In the next video, we will discuss how to train category classification AI model. So this is another one of the AI model type. Thanks for watching and have a great day.